Hi, this is Carolyn. Thanks for watching. Today we're going to be repurposing a Cascade container. I first spray painted it white, but then decided to add some white gesso just to give it some additional tooth. We'll be working with the StencilGirl StencilClub December 2020 stencils, and in particular the large 9x12 stencil. I start off by cutting a piece of paper just to use as a mask so that I can stencil around it to create a frame. My inspiration is from the Chinese porcelain vases and plates that are in those beautiful blue and white colors, or the Delft pottery. I'm using golden ultramarine blue and a makeup applicator where I've put paint on but dabbed a lot off so we can get a crisper image when we do our stenciling. As I moved around to the side, at first I tried to line up the stencil to continue, but ultimately decided I wanted that part of the stencil to actually be centered, and it turned out really good. I don't think you noticed the transition on the container, and you know what? It's storage for my art studio, so I wasn't looking for perfection. I next used the StencilGirl Chinese koi stencil as my focal point, and I felt this kind of really fit in with the Chinese kind of inspiration. After stenciling it on, I did use a paintbrush just to add a few additional details of shading and some borders. I also did practice this on a piece of paper, and if you want, you could even do this on a piece of paper and decoupage it on afterwards. So thank you for watching. I hope this video has inspired you. And I have a few close-up pictures at the end, as well as another container that I had painted with the Van Gogh Starry Night. Thanks so much, and enjoy this month's stencils. Thank you.